Hallo, herzlich willkommen. Welcome to German class. My name is Nadine, and I'm your German teacher in this course. If this is your very first time learning German, perfect. You're exactly in the right place. I've been teaching German for many, many years, and I specialize in helping students feel confident about speaking from the very beginning. In my classes, we don't just memorize words, we actually use German in a fun way and with real life situations. I've worked with students from all over the world, and I love making German easy and enjoyable. By the way, I'm a native speaker of German, as you might hear from my accent. Ich komme aus Deutschland. I come from Germany. What you will learn in this class is how to introduce yourself in German, ask and answer simple questions, talk about your age, your life, your everyday things, and most importantly, start speaking right away. We'll use simple words, clear sentences, and lots of repetition so that you feel confident. This is a self-paced course, which means you can learn anytime at your own speed. You can go back to the beginning of this video and listen to it again if you like. And each lesson includes short explanations, listening and speaking practice, fun activities like matching, drawing, and games with Neopod, for example, and small speaking tasks where you can record yourself. And I really encourage you to try and to share the recording with me if you feel comfortable with doing that. You don't need to be perfect. Just try your best. That's how you will learn. Your muscles in the mouth need to experience the sounds of German and really to make those sounds so that you can have more confidence in speaking. Yes, you might feel a little bit unsure at first. I understand. That's completely normal. I feel the same when I talk in a different language. English is my second language, as you might hear, and I know how hard it is to learn a foreign language. And yeah, I understand that sometimes we feel so awkward making sentences in different sounds. So I understand. Just try, just give it a try. It's, learning a new language is like learning a new skill. The more you'll practice, the easier it gets, promised. I encourage you, therefore, to say the words out loud. Repeat after the audio. I usually leave a little bit of time for you to be able to repeat. For example, Hallo, ich komme aus Deutschland. And then that's your time to repeat after me. Have fun with it, okay? Just have fun with German. I'm really happy you're here and I can't wait for you to start speaking German. And let's begin with lesson number 1. Hallo. Hallo. Bis bald. Bis bald, which means see you soon. Okay, I hope you enjoy this class. And if you have any issues with the video, with the audio, with the tasks, with the assignments or anything, write me a message, please. Okay, reach out. All right. Enjoy your time here in German class.